What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm continue working on my Golf Mk4 and today I'm going to replace the handbrake cables because the old ones are in very bad condition and the handbrake doesn't hold well, so we're gonna replace them with these new cables. So this is the task number one, and also the task number two. If you saw my last video, I was installing the engine under tray and it turned out that the side covers was in a pretty bad shape as well, and I've ordered the new side covers. They are in this box and we'll unbox it in a minute. And so this is the task number two for today, to replace those side covers. So this is the left one and this is the right one. The right one even has these clips. Okay. There is no cup holder for some reason. No wonder the handbrake barely works. Just look at how loose those cables are. So now let's release them like this, and next let's go under the car and continue the work there. Guys, I want to quickly mention that I'm doing it for the first time. I watched a couple tutorials on YouTube on how to do this, and it looks like a quick and easy job, and I'm really hoping it will be quick and easy in my case as well. So let's give it a try. Alright, now it's released from the caliper, and next there are two more clips, and then we're ready to pull it out from that aluminum tube. I don't have those clips, like new ones, so I'm trying to save the old ones without, you know, damaging them, so I can reuse these old ones. Let's see if I'll manage to do this. All right, finally. Okay, I will need to bend those two little things back. Let's move to the next one. Okay, the final step is to pull it out from this tube. No, the tube is moving as well. Guys, check this out. There is this metal ring here, and it's kind of shaped like a nut, and I think it's there, so you can grab it with a wrench and rotate it inside this tube, loosen it up, and hopefully pull it out more easily. I don't know, that's my guess, so let's give it a shot. Yeah. All right. That was easy. Here we go. Out with the old and in with the new. Let's go. Okay, I think it's there. And this is done. Okay. Alright, it looks like this side is done. Of course, I still needed to attach the cable to that U-shape bracket inside the car, but underneath the car on this side I think everything is done, and it looks not bad, I guess. Actually, you know, on the original cable there is no this metal ring. Again, it's like a nut, and also the boot on the original cable is also much longer and covers the whole cable. Anyway, so now I'll do the right side, and then we'll go inside the car and attach the cables to that bracket. Alright, I have installed the second cable as well. I did this off camera. So now let's go inside the car and attach both cables to the handbrake lever, and then adjust the handbrake. Oh yeah, now I feel the difference. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is max. Before this, it was like, you know, much higher. Okay. The wheel doesn't spin. This one as well. Right now, let's release the handbrake. Now let's check wheels, spins, and this one spins as well. Cool. I think that's it. What's left is to put all those parts back together, and that's it. The job done. Completed. Alright guys, so the handbrake job is completed. Guys, regarding replacing those side covers, actually I realized that unfortunately I don't have time for it today, and I'll do this in the next video also. I'm waiting for engine cover studs to mount the engine cover, and so I think we'll do this all in the next video. Guys, if you wanna follow the project, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so I think that would be it for this video. Please drop a like if you like the video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.